Today's video is a watch me install and style video on a short wavy bob wig. This is a sensational synthetic wig, and this is the infamous Butta Unit wig, Butta Unit 4. Okay, so this is from the Sensational Butta Lace line, and this is one of Sensational's synthetic hairs that are new to these wig streets. Okay, so Sensational's Butta Lace Unit 4 is one of the newest Butta Unit wigs. I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know, give you all the tea. Okay, you guys know I'm going to keep it 100%. And this, girl, is the final look of this short wavy bob wig. I'm going to give you guys all the tea, so hold tight and let's get into it. Hey queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset, and welcome to the Queendom, a place where we as queens cohabitate and celebrate each other. Today I'm giving you guys a brand new wig review. I'm so excited, but I'm kind of bummed because I definitely recorded this already and my footage. Moving on. If you're not familiar with my channel, I'm going to give you the pros, the cons, everything you need to know about this wig. I'm going to show you a 360, show you the back. Say it with me, because if the back ain't right, me and this wig gonna fight, period. So you guys, this is Sensational Butta Unit 4. This is what the stock card looks like. I have it in the color 1. Wait, do I? I do. I have it in the color 1. This is what the stock card is looking like, okay? And this is a new unit, so I'm excited to tell y'all what's tea. So, without further ado, let's get this wig review popping, popping, popping. Yes! Now let's throw that stock card so we can get into my tea. So you guys, I'm going to start off with the pros. The pros of this unit is that it is a short wavy bob wig for summer. I love me a nice little wavy bob, okay? Where I can flip, dip, okay? Put it in a split during the summer, because if you are like me, girl, in my state, it's hot. Burning up, okay? And I need something that's going to keep me cool and that's going to be on the go with me. When I move, you move. Just like that. That's what I need my wig to do all summer long, and this is what that wig is giving me. Another pro to this wig is that she was easy to lay. This does come with the HD lace, okay? Do y'all see this? Yes! Definitely more on the beginner friendly side than her sisters, Butta Unit 1 and Butta Unit 2 and Butta Unit 3. Now I have reviewed all of those. I have a playlist for you which I will tag above, so make sure you guys watch that, and I'll put it in the end screen so you can watch it after you watch this video. Compared to the 3 Butta Units that I've already reviewed, this one is definitely the easiest to style. And the last pro to this wig is going to be the personal pro, which if you're one of my homegirls, you could probably guess. She is big head friendly. Praise the Lord. Y'all know I got a big head gang. Sound off in the comments, y'all. And this wig is big hair friendly, so turn up for Jesus. On to the cons. So you guys, I hate to give it to you, but there are some cons to this wig. Like, yeah, she got some cons, so let's get into it. The first con is that this wig, I definitely think is going to tangle in time. Now y'all know when I get a curly unit, I'm not putting my fingers through it, okay? I'm not, no. It's not happening. It's not happening with Butta Unit 3, and it's not happening with this wig. Now, you guys know I gave you a 1-month update on Butta Unit 3, and I let y'all know the real tea, so I will tag that above here because, yeah, them curls don't lie. You're gonna be sitting cute just like this, okay? All summer long, just like this. And another con that I noticed, you guys, is that out of the pack, she came off a little bit frizzy. Now, you can use that to your benefit in saying that the wig is going to look more realistic, okay? She don't look super silky and wiggy and all of that, but I still want mine to look a little fresh when I first take her out the pack, okay? And she was giving me a little bit of frizzy vibes when I took her out the pack, so that's a small con for me. So now that we've gone over all the cons, you guys, let's go ahead and get into the facts you need to know about this wig before you go and buy it. This unit is a left side part. So all my lefties, stand up. What's good? This is for you, sis, okay? This is a left side part. It is not shiftable, okay? You're not going to be able to put her in the middle part, right side part, girl. You're going to be looking crazy. You can be looking crazy, okay? So left side part, and that's it. And then the last fact you need to know about this wig is that price, okay? I have an affiliate link for you below in a beauty supply store that I do shop, you guys, and it is ranging for $37.99. Now, y'all know I'm cheap, okay? I know a few wigs that you can get this style for a little bit cheaper, but I think just because of the HD lace, I would pay $37 again, but I would keep in mind, okay, in the back of my mind, that you can get this style for a little bit cheaper with no HD lace, so just keep that in mind. So ladies, I hope you have been enjoying my July wig sale. July is almost over, girls. Here and gone. Okay, July is about to be bye-bye. I hope you guys have been enjoying that wig sale. There are a few units left, so make sure you guys go and check it out. Also, make sure you guys enter for the $1 July virtual raffle. And if you're looking for more units like this, especially on the affordable side, make sure you look to my right, okay, and check out these videos over here. Make sure you guys do not leave before you check those out, because you are definitely going to regret it before you go and pick up a Butta Unit 4. I love you guys so much, and I will see you hopefully in one of these videos. Talk to you later. Bye.